Experiencing a frozen startup screen or boot loop on your EE box can be frustrating. These issues affect 15 to 20% of users during peak times, but most can be resolved with simple troubleshooting steps. The two most common startup issues are frozen screens, where the device stops responding during boot, and boot loops, where the device continuously restarts without reaching the home screen. The most effective first step is power cycling your EE box. This simple method resolves temporary freezing issues about 70% of the time. Here are the 3 simple steps for power cycling. First, unplug the EE box from the power outlet for 30 seconds. Second, ensure all cables are securely connected. Third, plug it back in and wait 2 to 3 minutes for a full startup. If power cycling doesn't work, try a remote control reset. Hold the standby button on your remote for 10 seconds. The device will restart automatically, which can resolve persistent freezing issues. Boot loop problems occur when the device continuously restarts without reaching the home screen. First, verify all cable connections are secure as shown. If the issue persists after power cycling and remote reset, a factory reset may be necessary as a more advanced solution. Remember these key troubleshooting steps. Power cycling has a 70% success rate for frozen screens, remote reset using the standby button for 10 seconds, and boot loops may require factory reset if basic methods fail. When your EE box apps fail to load, especially popular streaming services, there are several effective solutions you can try. We'll walk through each method from simple fixes to advanced troubleshooting. The first and most effective solution is clearing the app cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the loading failure. Navigate to Settings, then Apps. Select the problematic app, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the problematic app. You can do this through the Google Play Store. Find the app, uninstall it completely, then reinstall it fresh. This ensures you have the latest version with all updates. Network connectivity is crucial for streaming apps. You need a minimum of 10 megabits per second for HD streaming. Test your broadband speed and check your Wi-Fi signal strength. For the most stable connection, consider switching to an Ethernet cable. If the previous solutions don't work, you may need to perform a factory reset. This is an advanced solution that will erase all personal data, so use it as a last resort. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, then Factory Data Reset. If problems persist after trying these solutions, it's time to contact EE support. They can help with hardware failure indicators, persistent network issues affecting multiple devices, or provide remote diagnostics. EE support has advanced tools to resolve complex problems that basic troubleshooting cannot fix.